Soviet Union. And we have a number of airplanes that we're going to be flying for you here today that date back to the 40s and the 50s, including the T-28 that's going to be taking off in just a few minutes down to the right side, Herb and Ditto. But this was a high-performance training airplane. Don't you love it? And the fact is that these airplanes have been mustered out of the governments that flew them. And it used to be, just that we could get planes of surplus, war surplus, or the word war surplus from the United States government. I remember when 1955 when I first saw my first T6 or SNJ for sale at the freighter plane, and it was $600 flyaway. That was it, folks. And now what we're looking at here is as the days as we've gotten into the 80s and 90s and the year 2000. Now that we aren't looking askance at what used to be the Soviet Union so much, a lot of the old jets from the old countries. The airplanes make a great sound, don't they? The whistling sound sounds almost like a siren as he goes up and over the top in a barrel roll. You hear that? It used to be, the sound used to be Venturis outside the airplane. Now, do you think that man is having fun up there today? I think so. This is a great flying airplane. A 4-point hesitation as he takes it around and there's another airplane that is got a lot of military history behind it. The tactical brake, as he pulls the power back, he yanks it up to 1,000 feet, lets the airplane slow down, and as he rolls it out of the turn, you can watch for the landing gear too. Oh, man. I must have had a